Let's make frozen banana. Let's do it.
Hi guys, welcome to another video of Cooking with Mommy. Today we are going to make some frozen banana treats. We will be making frozen banana treats covered in sprinkles, pretzels, pistachios, and dried cranberries. These are some of the ingredients we are going to need. We are going to start by peeling our bananas. Next, using a butter knife, let's cut our bananas into smaller size. Secure our cut bananas on bamboo skewers and freeze them for about 15 minutes. While we wait for our bananas to chill, we are going to melt our baking chocolate. Melt your baking chocolate on a heat-proof glass bowl over several inches of boiling water on a pot. Now it's time to get our bananas out of the freezer. Now our bananas are ready to be coated with melted chocolate. Melted chocolate can be really hot, so be careful. Using the skewers, dip the bananas in the melted chocolate and set them on a plate. While the chocolate are still warm, cover the bananas with your favorite toppings. In this video, we will be covering our banana treats with rainbow sprinkles, dried cranberries, chopped pistachios, and chopped pretzels. Put the banana treats back in the freezer and let them set for about 15 minutes. And now our frozen banana treats are ready!
I'm ready to eat.
Not sure if you need a taste test for this one. For sure, it's going to be a winner. It has chocolate on it.
I love it.
Well, looks like our picky eater approves.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you at our next Cooking with Mommy video. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye bye. 谢谢。